Our minds are programmed in a way that we are in a survival mode. So anong ibig sabihin nun? So my wife is a life coach. I had this conversation with her. Sabi ko, alam mo, I'm so overwhelmed with everything that's happening. Not to mention that my goals, para hindi ako nag-move. So being the life coach that she is, tinitingnan niya yung mga patterns ng mga clients niya. Na-stuck ba sila? Bakit hindi sila nag-move? And then he asked me questions. Sabi ko, what's keeping you stuck? Sabi ko, January pa lang nung nag-set ako ng goals, parang hindi ako gumagalaw. And ang tendency ko is when I do things, minsan pag nahihirapan na yung utak ko, I would scroll para maging harmonious na yung isip, nag-scroll na lang sa Facebook. And that's my tendency. Pero you know what? I was struck with what she said. Sabi niya sa akin, alam mo kasi sweetheart, sabi niya, our minds are programmed in a way that we are in a survival mode. So anong ibig sabihin nun? Pag nahihirapan na ako, hinahanap niya kung saan yung safe place ko. Kaya ang tendency, bumabalik ako doon sa bagay na nagbibigay sa akin ng harmony, which is scrolling. Now, the question is, paano natin mabibreak yung cycle na yun? We have to be comfortable to create our new normal. Kasi ang all normal natin is, okay, this is where I'm comfortable. This is where I feel safe. That's why it takes 21 days to create a habit and 60 days if you want to make it a lifestyle. So that's how we create our new normal.